Welcome to TOYSREVIL, and this is the first unboxing of the Miyazaki Fairy Tales blind box series. After my introductory video, let's have a quick look at this figure, all in Chinese. Probably more likely, I'm assuming, I shouldn't assume, but yeah, made in China lah. Yeah? Okay, let's have a look at the box first. A clean matte print. Feels pretty heavy. More likely, if I am not wrong, it is a resin figure. Should I open from top or at the bottom? Yeah, I need to decide before I open. Yeah, I'm gonna open from the bottom. I want to dirty the top, if that makes any sense. Oh, painful. These are the old school boxed figures type. Wow, foam insert. So this is the first unboxing, so we will be looking at details a bit more, and subsequent unboxings will just be straight up see what's inside. Put this dude at the corners here. So this is it's just, the bottom is stuck on, but it's just a vessel to hold the figure. It's not even stuck on, it's just hold it in. Oh, I think I know what it is. Yeah, shouldn't be a wonder, but ooh, it's heavy, it's resin, and it is magical. Cute lah. Wow, it's Totoro. Wow, let's have a closer look. It's Totoro. Looking at the details, I don't know if you can see here. All these are carved details. Paintwork is less than stellar. Yeah, you can see here. But yeah, expected for $8 blind box. The eyes are a bit smudged, but I'm being picky here. I'm being very picky. There are no markings, no licenses written, so yeah, more likely this is an unlicensed product. The design wise, I'm going to be a bit picky here just because I can. You know, the umbrella is not straight. I mean, the handle is not straight onto the umbrella center. It's just to the side. So visually it looks like this. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Let's look at the picture. No man, yeah. If you can see from here, it's at the side, it's not at the center. So chalk this up for inaccuracy in terms of depiction, but totally cute in terms of the sculpt. Nice. It's nice because when you put it on a lower display shelf, it's as if Totoro is looking up at you past the umbrella. Cute lah. Okay lah, can lah, cannot complain. But at least you have an idea of this series and this set. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Next unboxing.